Have you ever wondered how our digital world would function without file sharing? File sharing, the process of distributing or transferring digital files across networks, is a cornerstone of digital communication. Whether it's documents, images, videos, or software, file sharing catapults our ability to connect, collaborate, and create. It's woven into the fabric of both our personal and professional lives, making it nearly impossible to imagine a day without it. Indeed, file sharing is the backbone of modern digital interactions. Imagine a world where collaboration is not just a buzzword, but a reality. In this digital age, file sharing stands as a cornerstone for enabling seamless teamwork. It's not just about sending files back and forth, it's about creating a shared workspace where ideas and creativity flow freely. Now let's delve into how file sharing enhances collaboration among teams. Picture a group of designers, developers, and marketers scattered across different continents. Thanks to file sharing, they can access and work on the same project files simultaneously. This isn't just convenient, it's transformative. It allows for real-time editing, where changes made by one team member are immediately visible to all others. This synergy is not only efficient, but also fosters a sense of unity and collective effort. Moreover, file-sharing systems incorporate features like version control and document tracking. Version control ensures that everyone is working on the latest version of a document, and any changes made are recorded and reversible. This means no more confusion over multiple versions of the same file or lost data. Document tracking, on the other hand, provides insights into who accessed or modified a document and when, adding a layer of transparency and accountability that is vital in a collaborative environment. The impact on productivity and teamwork is palpable. Teams that would otherwise spend hours in coordination now achieve their goals with remarkable speed and precision. Projects that took weeks can now be wrapped up in days, with fewer errors and misunderstandings. Thus, file sharing transforms theoretical teamwork into dynamic collaboration. Access your files anytime, anywhere. Welcome to the era of convenience. In this digital age, the ability to access documents, photos, videos, and more from any location using devices like laptops, smartphones, and tablets has transformed how we manage information. No longer tethered to physical storage media such as hard drives or USB sticks, we now carry entire libraries in our pockets. Imagine the freedom of updating a business proposal at a cafe, reviewing a project document on a train, or sharing holiday photos with family from a beach halfway around the world. This level of accessibility not only streamlines personal life, but also enhances productivity and flexibility in professional environments. Moreover, the rise of remote work has been significantly supported by file-sharing technologies. Teams can collaborate seamlessly, regardless of geographical boundaries, making the traditional office setup an option rather than a necessity. File sharing not only simplifies but also revolutionizes our approach to work and leisure, cutting costs while boosting efficiency. Let's uncover how. In the digital age, file sharing has dramatically transformed the way we manage and distribute information. Traditionally, businesses spent a fortune on physical media like CDs and USB drives, not to mention the hefty costs of printing documents. Now, file sharing simplifies all of this, eliminating the need for such expenses and drastically reducing printing costs. This shift not only streamlines operations but also contributes to environmental sustainability. Moving to the cloud, organizations are finding that they can significantly cut overhead costs. Cloud-based file-sharing solutions remove the necessity for maintaining on-premises servers, which often involve high operational and maintenance expenses. Instead, these services offer a leaner, more cost-effective alternative, allowing businesses to pay only for the storage they actually use. Moreover, the scalability of these storage solutions is financially advantageous. As a business grows, its storage needs can be adjusted seamlessly, avoiding the upfront costs of traditional data storage expansion. File sharing, therefore, is not just about sharing, it's about smart saving. What if your data were as secure as a bank vault? Imagine a world where your digital files are safeguarded with the same rigor as the gold in Fort Knox. That's the kind of security modern file-sharing platforms strive to achieve. In today's digital landscape, the security of shared files is paramount. Advanced file-sharing platforms are equipped with a suite of powerful security features designed to protect your data from unauthorized access and cyber threats. Let's dive into some of these features. Firstly, encryption is the cornerstone of secure file sharing. It scrambles your data into an unreadable format that can only be deciphered with a specific key. This means that even if data is intercepted during transmission, it remains shielded from prying eyes. Next, we have access controls. These are the gatekeepers of your files, ensuring that only authorized users can view or edit sensitive information. By setting permissions, you can control who has access to what, and keep track of who views or modifies your files. User authentication further fortifies security. It verifies the identities of individuals trying to access the system, often through passwords, biometric data, or multi-factor authentication. This layer of security ensures that the person accessing the data is who they claim to be. Lastly, audit trails are crucial for maintaining transparency and accountability. They provide a detailed log of all file-related activities, helping organizations monitor access and changes and comply with regulatory requirements. Speaking of compliance, modern file-sharing systems adhere to stringent industry standards and regulations to protect data privacy and prevent breaches. Whether it's GDPR, HIPAA, or other regulatory frameworks, these platforms are designed to meet, if not exceed, compliance requirements. With robust security measures, file-sharing platforms are fortresses of digital data. Secure, compliant, and vigilant, these platforms ensure that your data isn't just shared, it's protected. Every coin has two sides. Let's examine the flip side of file sharing. While the digital landscape of file sharing unfolds vast opportunities, it also harbors significant challenges that demand our attention. One of the most pressing concerns is the risk of security breaches. Imagine a scenario where confidential information is inadvertently exposed due to insufficient security protocols. This can lead to a domino effect of trust erosion and potential financial losses. Furthermore, the threat of malware infections cannot be overlooked. Malware can infiltrate systems disguised in seemingly innocuous files, wreaking havoc and compromising data integrity. Moving on to compliance, the stakes are particularly high in regulated industries such as healthcare, finance, and government. These sectors are bound by stringent regulations that govern data protection and privacy. Non-compliance is not merely a breach of protocol but can lead to severe legal repercussions and hefty fines. Ensuring compliance requires a robust understanding of both the technology used and the legislative landscape. Lastly, let's touch upon version control issues in collaborative environments. In the hustle of multiple edits and updates, it's not uncommon for document versions to clash, leading to data inconsistencies or loss. This can disrupt workflows and lead to confusion, potentially derailing projects. Despite these challenges, the pathway to effective file sharing is navigable with the right measures in place. Awareness and preparedness are key in mitigating these challenges. As we navigate through the digital age, file sharing stands as both a tool and a challenge. This tool has reshaped how we work, learn, and interact on a global scale. The benefits are clear. Enhanced collaboration allows individuals and teams to work seamlessly across borders, editing and updating in real time for heightened productivity and improved outcomes. The convenience of accessing files from anywhere at any hour, using various devices, transforms our approach to work and personal management, offering unparalleled flexibility. Moreover, the economic advantage of file sharing is undeniable. By reducing reliance on physical storage and minimizing ancillary costs, organizations can allocate resources more efficiently, fostering both growth and innovation. Alongside these benefits, file sharing systems are fortified with robust security measures, ensuring that sensitive information remains protected under layers of encryption and access controls. However, the path isn't devoid of hurdles. Security risks, compliance issues, and version control are significant challenges that require vigilant management and a proactive approach. By addressing these challenges head-on, users and organizations can truly harness the full potential of file-sharing technologies. Embrace file sharing with awareness and let it propel you towards a more connected and efficient future.